Inclusion is not only about what your programming looks like, who and how you hire, or what your marketing says about you. Inclusion is also about how you treat the people right here, right now, the ones you're working with, the ones you lead and take care of. It's making them feel like they matter, their voices are heard, their actions are important. It's making them feel like all the diversity they bring in ways beyond gender and race are seen, heard, and respected. There's so much that can be done right here, right now with the people that you have. For example, we can honor the introvert's thoughtful preparation alongside the extrovert's spontaneous contributions. Or we can value the detailed oriented person who catches program typos alongside the big picture visionary who shares their wildest dreams. Sometimes we can focus outward to ensure that we are doing the right thing as it can be seen publicly. It's important to remember that inclusion isn't a public facing performance. It's a deeply felt daily experience within an organization. And in fact, internal inclusion can be the most impactful because the results are felt and seen immediately. So, what if inclusion is simply helping people feel like they belong here for being exactly who they are? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas to help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider subscribing in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.